Hey everyone, Prakash Rosario here. Ready to scale your business and connect with your audience like never before? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of social media marketing. Stay tuned to learn how it can transform your business. Let's get started on unlocking that power. First up, let's talk about brand awareness. Social media platforms are like global megaphones for your brand. By establishing a strong presence, you're strategically positioning your brand in front of a massive, diverse audience. A single, well-crafted post or viral video can expose your brand to thousands, if not millions of potential customers. Social media makes continuous visibility incredibly accessible, helping you cut through the noise and establish your presence. The more people see and interact with your brand, the more likely they are to remember and trust you. People are becoming aware of your brand. Fantastic. But what's next? You need to get them to your website. Every profile, post, and story is an opportunity to include a link back to your website. Think of your social media channels as signposts, constantly pointing users towards your website. By sharing valuable content, you give people a strong reason to click through. More website traffic means more opportunities for lead generation, sales, and growing your email list. Let's talk money. Social media marketing is incredibly cost-effective compared to traditional marketing channels. Creating organic content can start with a minimal budget, primarily your time and creativity. Even with paid advertising, you can start campaigns with as little as a few dollars a day. The precision targeting ensures your ad spend isn't wasted on irrelevant audiences. This efficiency means your marketing budget stretches further, achieving a higher return on investment. One of the most powerful aspects of social media marketing is the ability to conduct highly targeted advertising. You can target based on demographics, interests, online behaviors, and even life events. This level of specificity ensures your marketing messages are seen by the people most likely to resonate with them and convert. Platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn have sophisticated advertising tools to build custom audiences and retarget people who have interacted with your brand. It's like having a superpower for your marketing. Social media provides an unparalleled platform for direct audience engagement. When people comment, send messages, or mention your brand, you have a golden opportunity to interact with them directly. This kind of personal interaction is incredibly powerful for building stronger relationships and fostering customer loyalty. Actively engaging with your audience transforms followers into a genuine community. Building a loyal community around your brand leads to repeat business and turns customers into vocal advocates. So there you have it, 5 undeniable benefits of leveraging social media marketing for your business. It's clear that social media is a fundamental pillar of a successful modern marketing strategy. The key now is to take action. Start by creating valuable content, be consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media marketing. Let me know in the comments which of these benefits you're most excited to leverage, or if you have any questions. See you next time.